Hello everybody, I'm back with a mini collab from a few of the glitter girls who wanted to do something involving the Beetles gel polish because we all love them so much, we're obsessed. So we wanted to do a collab just featuring them. So I'm starting off with tips all buffed and a base coat on them all. And then I picked these two colours, 379 and 270. This wine colour is absolutely gorgeous. It's so rich and deep. So that goes on the thumb, index and pinky finger. And then I chose this beautiful nude to go on the other two. And I think this nude really complements the darkness of the red. It's just stunning. So they all got their first coat and cured for 30 seconds. So starting off with the thumb, I'm putting the second coat of this wine colour on, but I'm not curing it. And I'm taking Nail Sugar's, I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, I'm taking Nail Sugar's glitter, and I wanted to do like a fade. I didn't want a full nail. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? I really have to remember the name and I'll insert it on the screen somewhere. I didn't want the full nail, as I say, I wanted the fade. So I'm just dabbing it on with a fan brush, just spattering it. And then I'll cure that for its other 30 seconds with that coat. And then with the ring finger, I'm putting its second coat on and then putting it into cure because I want to do a glitter trail on this one. I didn't do any full nails of glitter, so this one's getting its second coat now. And then when it comes out, I'm putting top coat on, just so that I can move the glitter around where I want it before it gets cured. It's just so much easier doing it with a top coat than doing it with the foil gel. It's easier to move around, I feel. So yeah, I faffed about with it, as you can imagine. I faffed about with it for a long time and then put it in the lamp for a full minute to cure. And this is the index finger. No, it's not, it's the pinky finger. So I put a non-white top coat on that and put it in for its full minute. And then I'm taking this gorgeous pigment, I'm sure it's by Beauty Big Bang, and just rubbing that into the cured top coat. And it is absolutely stunning. I love this pigment. Then going to just dust off the excess and give it a top coat, and that's that one done. So the two glitter ones, I'm just buffing them down. I'd put quite a thick rubber top coat on them both, so I'm just buffing them down to make them smooth before they get their final top coat. And look at that. Oh, that glitter is just absolutely, oh, I don't have words. I'm getting fed up saying beautiful and stunning and gorgeous, and I can't find any more words. I need to look in a dictionary. So this one's the same, got buffed down, and I'm just putting the top coat on it, and then those two are finished. Then it's on to the index finger. It is the index finger this time, and I wanted to stamp this serpent image onto the nail. I thought the gold would go really nice with the glitter and the colours I had chosen, and I love this plate. The first image I wanted to use wouldn't work, so I chose this one instead, and I'm just putting a normal, regular, non-white top coat on it first, and I'm curing that for only 30 seconds because then I'm going on to put a matte top coat on it. I think it looks really nice when it's been matted. You'll see it when it comes out. So that was that nail finished. On to the middle nail, and I used top coat here, but I wish I'd used foil glue. I think it would have been easier for me. I wanted to put some wee gold embellishments on this nail, just in a nice wee display, but it took me forever because they kept sliding around all over the place, and I stopped recording eventually and just got them into place, or so I thought, and then cured them quickly when I thought I had them in place. But when it came out, it was still squint. It still hadn't sat where I wanted it to go. But however, it was done and I still like it. Hope you do too. That's this design finished. Please remember to go and check out the other videos and designs in this wee collab. I will leave a playlist down below. Thank you for joining me for our mini collab for Beetles. I will see you in the next one. Bye!